Namaskara and welcome back to Money Talks with Mohan Krishnarao, where we decode money in plain language, minus the marketing, minus the fear. Today's question is for those with big money. Not crores in dreams, but crores in their bank account, FDs or scattered investments. How do you protect large sums and still grow it meaningfully? We are talking about 30 lakhs, 3 crores or even 30 crores. And the reality is, the more money you have, the more mistakes you make. With me is someone who's seen both the mistakes and the solutions. Economist and wealth strategist, Shri Mohan Krishnarao. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Niti. This is a topic that doesn't get enough attention. Because when we talk about money mistakes, we often picture someone falling for a fraud.
Yes.
And not someone with 2 crores in the bank losing value slowly year after year.
Yes. Right, sir. So let's talk about these common mistakes that the rich make.
Sure. Here are the 3 mistakes that I can see often. People keep 1 to 3 crores in fixed deposits or traditional life insurance savings plans thinking it is very safe. But after inflation and tax, their real return is just 2 to 3%, sometimes even negative. On the other hand, people jump into option trading without understanding risk, real estate in random locations, crypto, private equity, overseas startups because a friend made 2x once.
Yes.
They spread their money too thin in too many things and end up chasing noise, not returns. Then there is third type, the everything everywhere portfolio. No structure, no coordination, 5 agents, 10 products, 20 apps, but no idea what the total picture looks like.
Right. So, sir, what is the right way to manage this large wealth?
The right way is boring but powerful.
Okay.
Real experts, especially the SEBI-registered multi-asset advisors, follow a simple but a thorough approach.
Okay.
The step 1, understand the purpose of your wealth. Every rupee should have a reason. Some for long-term growth like stocks, AIFs and PMS, and some for capital protection like bonds, debt funds, and some for monthly cash needs like systematic withdrawal plans, laddered deposits. This is called goal-based allocation, not just random investing.
Okay.
And the step 2 is the experts use the right mix of assets. No single product can solve everything. And experts build portfolios using multiple assets like equity baskets, mutual funds, bonds, international funds, real estate, all managed in sync.
Got it.
And step 3, they track, rebalance and adjust. Market changes and your goal also changes. So your portfolio needs rebalancing.
Yeah.
Just like your car needs servicing.
Yeah.
And this is where the professional research makes a difference, not WhatsApp tips.
Okay. So, is there a real world example where this is done the right way?
Yes, let me give you an example, not as an ad, but as a case study.
Okay.
Take, for example, RupeeRakshak.com, a SEBI-registered platform that handles multi-asset portfolio for HNIs. They don't just sell products, but they provide strategy, help clients manage rupees 30 lakhs to 30 crore with full visibility and tax compliance. They also allow clients to stay involved or delegate completely. Okay. They charge a transparent annual fee, no hidden commissions. Most importantly, they manage everything in one place.
Oh.
And anyone, even if not using that platform, can learn from this structure.
Okay. Great, sir. So you're saying that in simple terms, we need to protect big money by thinking like an expert, which is structured, diversified and constantly measured.
Exactly. So big money deserves more than FD logic or TikTok tricks.
Okay.
If you have worked hard to save it, don't let it quietly decay or explode in a risky punt.
Yeah.
Seek advice, yes, but from someone licensed, experienced and multi-asset capable.
Okay.
That's how you protect your peace of mind, not just principle.
So here's your number 1 action step. If you have 30 lakhs or more and want clarity, talk to a SEBI-registered advisor who handles multi-asset portfolios. Want to explore what that looks like? The links are shared below in the description. See how it works. Even book a free consultation to understand the framework. This is not about sales, it's about strategy. Thank you for watching. We'll come back with another episode next week. Until then, stay tuned. Namaskara.